Hello students, welcome to the concept problems on operations on independent variable. In the last video, I explained various operations on independent variable time t and also some small problems. In this video, I want to explain the combined operations. We know about the various operations on independent variable: time shifting, time scaling, and time reversal. Okay. Now in this video, I'll mix all these three. Okay. And explain two problems. Okay. So the first problem, for the triangular pulse given, plot A x of 3t, B x of 3t plus 2, C x of minus 2t minus 1. Okay. So what is the triangular pulse given? So let us solve this problem. Yes, the first question is plot x of 3t. We know it is scaling. From this, we can write the scaling factor A as 3. Okay. So how to plot? Simply you have to do this x-axis points 1 divided by the scaling factor and minus 1 divided by the scaling factor. So if you plot it, this is 1 by 3 and this is minus 1 by 3. So what is this? This is x of 3t. Okay. Now the second one is x of 3t plus 2. Here if you see, there exists shift and also scaling. Time shift and time scaling. So when a function consists of time shift and time scaling, simply you have to go. See this. This is the flow. First you have to shift the signal and then scale. Okay. So to plot this x of 3t plus 2, first you have to plot x of t plus 2. X of t plus 2. Where you have to shift this signal? You have to shift this to minus 2. Okay. This may be the minus 2. Okay. So this is minus 1. So you have to shift up to minus 2. So when you shift it, 0 becomes minus 2. Then you must require this minus 3 and the amplitude is 1. So simply this is the waveform. What is this? This is x of t plus 2. Now I will plot x of 3t plus 2. So after shift, you have to scale it. So now the scaling is for these 3 points. So now scale it. If you scale, you will get minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 3. Okay. So you are going to get x of 3t plus 2. So what are the points? In the scale version, the points are minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3 is 1. So again the amplitude is 1 only. So this is the waveform. Okay. So first shift the signal and then scale. Now we will draw the third one, x of minus 2t minus 1. See, x of minus 2t minus 1. Here we have shifting, scaling and reversal. We have all the three operations. So what is the sequence? First shift the signal and then scale it and then reverse it. Okay. So to draw this waveform, totally we need three plots. So first plot x of t minus 1. T minus 1 means you have to shift to 1. So your 0 becomes 1. So you need this 2 here. Amplitude is 1. The waveform is like this. Okay, then we will move to x of 2t minus 1. You have to scale this x of t minus 1 by the factor 2. So it becomes 2 by 2, becomes 1 by 2 and becomes 0 by 2, that is 0. So the signal is 0, 1 becomes 1 by 2, 2 becomes 2 by 2, that is 1. And the amplitude remains same. So this is x of 2t minus 1. Now we will plot x of minus 2t minus 1. So reverse this x of 2t minus 1 now. Okay, so if you reverse, simply reverse it, minus 1 by 2, minus 1, amplitude remains same. Okay. So this is one problem. Okay. So whenever you have three operations in the same problem, first shift the signal, then scale it, then reverse it. Okay. Then we will take another problem. This is the second problem. For the given waveform, plot x of t minus 2, x of 2t plus 3, x of 3 by 2 into t, x of minus t plus 1. Okay. So this is the given waveform. Start the first one, x of t minus 2. So simply you have to shift the signal to t is equal to 2. This is 1. When you shift it, when you shift this 0 to 2, you need another 2 points. It moves up to 4. Okay. So this is 1 and this is 2. 1 to 2 oka ramp undi. 2 daggara oka step undi. 2 to 3 step. 3 దగ్గర మళ్ళీ 1 వరకు డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. Again 3 to 4 ఒక స్టెప్. Now we will plot x of 2t plus 3. For that what you have to do? First x of t plus 3 డ్రా చేయాలి. Then దాన్ని స్కేల్ చేయాలి. స్కేల్ చేస్తే మీకు x of 2t plus 3 వస్తుంది. స్కేలింగ్ బై ఫ్యాక్టర్ 2 చేస్తే. సో ఫస్ట్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. సో t plus 3 అంటే minus 3 కి చేయాలి మనం. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0ని minus 3 కి షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక పాయింట్ రావాలి. దట్ ఇస్ minus 4. One, 2. So 4 to 3 ramp. Next ఒక స్టెప్ ఉంది -2 వరకు. మళ్ళీ -2 దగ్గర దిగింది. అగైన్ ఇక్కడ ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ దిగింది. So that is a signal x of t plus 3. Okay. So totally 0 కాస్త -3 కి మూవ్ అయింది కాబట్టి సిగ్నల్ కంప్లీట్ గా లెఫ్ట్ వైపు కి షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది. సో నౌ దీనికి మనం స్కేలింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 2 ని ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే. సో దీనికి నేను స్కేలింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 2 ఇస్తే x of 2t plus 3. 2 icheste it is minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2. Okay. So points ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. So amplitude, for the amplitude no change, ramp, then stop, signal, x of 2t plus 3. Okay. Now when the scaling factor is greater than 1, you'll get compression. Okay. The C, then the next point, next is x of 3 by 2 into t. So here also the scaling factor is 3 by 2, which is greater than 1, so you'll get compression. So I'll plot it. So when this is the original signal, when you scale it by 3 by 2, 2 by 3 by 2, you'll get 4 by 3. 1 by 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 0. Minus 1 by 3 by 2, minus 2 by 3 you'll get. Okay. So I'll plot it. 2 by 3 is less than 1, so let it be 2 by 3. This is 4 by 3. This is 0. And this is minus 2 by 3. But no change for the amplitude. So ramp, this is the signal, x of 3 by 2 into t. Okay. The last one is x of minus t plus 1. So you have to plot first the shifted signal, that is x of t plus 1. Okay. The signal will shift to minus 1. Then you need minus 2. So you need this 1 also. Amplitude 1, this is 2. So this is ramp. Then step. This is the signal x of t plus 1. Okay. So ఇప్పుడు రివర్స్ చేయాలి x of minus t plus 1. రివర్స్ అంటే పాజిటివ్ లో 1 ఉంది కదా, సో నెగటివ్ లో అప్పుడు minus 1 ఉండాలి. నెగటివ్ లో minus 1 minus 2 ఉంది కదా, అప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ లో 1 and 2 ఉండాలి. ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ 1 to 0 ఒక స్టెప్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ minus 1 to 0 స్టెప్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే. తర్వాత 1 to 2 ఒక లైన్, దెన్ 0 to minus 1 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 0 to 1, then ramp. ఓకే. సో కంప్లీట్ గా చూసారా సిగ్నల్ ఎలా రివర్స్ అయిందో? పాజిటివ్ లోది నెగటివ్ వచ్చింది, నెగటివ్ లోది పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే. అబౌట్ ద ఆరిజిన్ రివర్సల్ అంటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, సిగ్నల్ టోటల్ గా షిఫ్ట్ అవటం కాదు. పాజిటివ్ టీ లో ఉన్నది నెగటివ్ టీ లోకి వచ్చేయాలి, నెగటివ్ టీ లో ఉన్నది పాజిటివ్ టీ లోకి ఫోల్డ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే. సో దట్ ఈస్ x of minus t plus 1. So with these two problems, I think you understand the operations on independent variable t. So మొత్తం 3 operations చెప్పింది, టైం షిఫ్టింగ్, టైం స్కేలింగ్ అండ్ టైం రివర్సల్. ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఎలా సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా చేయాలి అని చెప్పాను. ఆ తర్వాత ఒకవేళ మర్జ్ అయి ఉంటే 2 or 3 ఆపరేషన్స్ కనుక కలిసి ఒకే ప్రాబ్లం లో ఉంటే మీరు తీసుకోవాల్సిన సీక్వెన్స్ షిఫ్ట్, స్కేల్ అండ్ రివర్సల్. Okay, so thank you very much.